Among the emerging technologies changing the landscape of school transportation, there are a few names in the industry that have been constant. AZ Bus Sales, Bluebird, and Microbird have been providers of student transportation for a combined 200 years. Leaders don't wait for the new normal. They build it themselves and master change. As the pioneer of this space, it is no coincidence that Microbird has been the leading innovator of EV technology for Type A school bus transportation. The Microbird G5 Electric offers many features and advantages. The first and most obvious is a zero fuel cost. Beyond that, the maintenance cost is a fraction of any other combustible engine, with far less moving parts, no filters to change, and of course, no oil or other fluids. Microbird utilizes an innovative 2-speed transmission, which helps extend range and provide better autonomy with modes specific to city, freeway, or mountain driving. Additionally, the Microbird's regenerative braking system adds power back into the batteries during deceleration, which not only increases range, but drastically extends the life of the brake components, further reducing maintenance costs. The Microbird's 88 kilowatt lithium-ion batteries provide the vehicle with over 100 miles of range. It also provides great amounts of torque for good acceleration and drivability, even at full capacity. Microbird's advanced system allows for level 2 and level 3 DC fast charge, with an option for bidirectional vehicle-to-grid capabilities. There's even a roof-mounted solar panel option for additional range. Seating capacities up to 24 passengers or 18 plus 1 wheelchair are available. When it comes to ensuring uptime, Microbird's Telematics Dashboard provides live remote vehicle information, such as state of charge, remaining range, performance, and other information. And every Microbird EV customer receives a laptop with specialized software to enable live diagnostics and remote updates. As you can see, absolutely nothing is compromised from the standards and quality you've come to expect from Microbird. All the same award-winning safety features and innovations can be found in the entire line of G5 Microbird buses. AZ Bus Sales and Microbird have deployed more electric Type A buses in California alone than all competing brands combined, making the Microbird G5 the most popular and dependable electric Type A school bus on the road today. Contact AZ Bus Sales for grant funding assistance or for more information about the electric G5 by Microbird.